Welcome to this video about the budget for projects and resources. In this video, we will go through the basics of the budget and how planning resources affect the budget. The budget is accessed from the project dashboard by clicking on the tab Budget. And before I start working with it, I will toggle the full screen mode. Here are the values in this project, and we have one column for estimations and one for actuals in every month. On the left side, there's the contracted value, the revenue, the costs, and the profit. And in the bottom of the grid, there's an accumulation of revenue, costs, and profit, which will update for every month throughout the contract time. This is an economic overview, so all hours are transferred into money. In this project, I have already worked some hours in March and in April. And as I see in March, I have invoiced some hours as well, which gives me a revenue of 20,000, a cost of 10,000, and therefore a profit of 10,000. The cost is the fully burdened hourly cost, which is set for the resources in the configuration. And the revenue, well, it's the invoiced hours. But in the budget, the revenue is the hourly bill rate times the number of hours. And the profit is the difference between the both. For April and May, there are already some allocated hours. I can tell that by the number in the budget column on revenue, in cost and profit. And now I'm going to show you what happens when I allocate hours on resources in this project. So if I turn off the full screen mode and I go to the planning module in this project, I can go to Plan, Resources, scroll to the right and fill out 20 hours in June and 20 hours in July. I press Save. And I refresh my dashboard, go back to the budget, full screen mode, and now I see that the allocated hours that I put in have been transferred into a budgeted value in these 2 months. In the budget view, I can make adjustments. For example, I know that in June there will be a fixed fee payment of 10,000. I can fill this out in the budget adjustment row by double-clicking in the editable box. Here I can fill out a sum, so I'm going to write 10,000. And this updates my profit and the other values. So I know to this fixed fee payment there will be a cost as well of 4,000, and the budget calculates the profits again. And as the project moves on, the actuals will be updated automatically by the hours that is written in the timesheets by the resources and by the invoices that you create. So this tool gives you an economic overview that the project is going in the right direction. Thank you very much.